Let's talk about servers. Speedify has hundreds of speed servers in data centers in a growing number of countries around the globe. Connecting to a different server will change where your internet traffic appears to be coming from, replacing your real IP with the IP address of the server you connect to, sometimes enabling you to circumvent region-based blocks. But it can also affect your connection speeds, latency, and overall online experience. There are three sorts of speed servers we run. There are the public servers, which are open to everyone. There are the premium servers, which are reserved for paying customers. And then there are dedicated servers. Our public servers tend to have a lot more users on them at the same time. So purchasing an unlimited Speedify subscription will give you access to the exclusive premium servers, which are reserved for customers with our unlimited Speedify accounts. Additionally, if you want a whole server to yourself, your family, or your team, you can purchase a personal dedicated server with any of our subscriptions, available in monthly and yearly options. To pick or change which server you're connected to, open Speedify, go into the settings menu by clicking this hamburger icon in the top left, and then click the server option. Or while you're connected to Speedify, you can simply tap on the status bar to go into the server list. From here, you can choose to automatically connect to the fastest server, or browse the list of countries and choose a specific country you want to connect to. Fastest server tries a number of nearby servers to measure which one has the lowest latency. It has a preference for dedicated servers, so if you have one and it's not on the other side of the planet, you'll probably connect to it. If you want to get even more specific, you can drill down into a specific country to choose specific cities or even individual servers in those locations. If you have a dedicated server available, it'll be listed here in the dedicated servers section. It'll show whatever countries you have dedicated servers in, and you can drill all the way down to see them. Then you just click on the one you want that we set up for you or your family or your team, and you can just click back and done to return to the dashboard, and you'll see you are now connected to your server. That's it. I hope it helps.